Guys, this is what I told you. Guys, I'm going to give you special hint where you can earn at least $200 per week. Okay, guys, let's dive in. Yo guys, this is tips and trick. If you are new here, please hit on subscribe button and turn on notification. Okay, so let's go. Okay, first of all, go to Play Store, then download Windscribe VPN. Okay, as I told you, this is how to create international TikTok account. You have to choose VPN to get that international account, especially for those one who come from in Africa. Okay, let's download it. Okay, let's install. Is done. Let's open our VPN. Okay, as you see, our VPN already opened. Then click to get started. Okay, create, use username as you wish, then put password. Okay, yeah, already done, guys. Then if you reach here, you have to choose some country you want. But I guide you to choose USA account. Okay, as you see here, I'm in Dallas. Okay, then he lets hit on this button. Guys, as I told you, if you are new here, please hit on the subscribe button and turn on notification. Okay guys, let's go. You see our VPN are already connected at the top. Then let's go to the search bar button, then write tiktok.com. Website already opened. Yeah, okay, then you go to sign up. Guys, after sign up, then choose use phone or email. Please choose email. Okay, then put on your birthday, day, month, and year. Okay, after that, click okay guys, then let's put our image. then click next. Guys, after putting in our email, then put password. Okay, then scroll until you get the real shape. As you see in those cycle, I scroll to get the real shape of that image. Okay, done. Oh wow. Okay, as I told you, it was a 6 digit. Okay, we get our 6 digital code from our email, then put that number in those bar. Okay, let's create our username. As we know, username must be unique. Then click sign up. Oh, wow, done. Okay guys, after that, then let's leave this web browser. Then let's go on TikTok app. Okay, then you open a TikTok app, then you go to the profile button, add account. As I told you, choose email. Okay, put your email as we done before. Then check on your email that those 6 digital code. Guys, you already see we signed in. Okay, guys, okay, go to create.
Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready?
This is creator reward program. Guess what, guys? We get it, guys. This is how we do. Guys. So guys, as I told you before, if you are new here, please hit on the subscribe button, turn notification, like and share, because I will continue to give you special content, especially for how to make money online. This is our year, guys. 2024. This is our year. guys. Then click on creator reward program, then click on apply. Okay, when you get those requirements, click on apply. Okay. Guys, this is what I have today for you. If you like my content, my video today, please like, share and comment, guys. I love you. Bye bye. Thank you.